after a gap down and a little drop till towards 29060 and 10930, both US30 and US100 trying to recover strongly. Now what should be our strategy in order to profit today till I come up with my next analysis before the US cash session? Which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do like, share, subscribe and comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can stay tuned with the latest updates. Let's start. First we'll look into US100 followed with US30. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Let's start on the hourly chart first. On the hourly charts, it is trying to fill the gap here, the gap there till 11050, and yes, below 11050 certainly more bullishness can be expected. Yes, it has given a gap down and since then we have seen a drop. Now probably it will try to trade for recovering or filling up the gap here. So possibly only buy position which I will recommend is beyond 11050. Beyond that, still 11080, 11100 is a stronger resistance, and beyond 11100 certainly more bullishness can be expected. See, it is trading extremely divergent, extremely bearish on the hourly charts. Probably it can start to converge a little. Stochastic was oversold, trying to bounce back. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here, and RSI is oversold, and hence a little recovery is seen there. Be careful. It is still a retracement, not a you can say reversal. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, again trying to rise here. Yes, it can try to fill the gap here, and beyond 11100 certainly more bullishness can be expected. Beyond 11100, see, even if it tries to rise, the next resistance zone should be at around 12300 400 levels, 11300 400 levels. Directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge here. Stochastic is oversold, trying to bounce back from the oversold zone. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is trying to converge, and RSI is oversold, and that is what we can see, a little recovery. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts too, this is the first green candle, and we may see a follow-up green candle taking it towards 11050, 11100. Only above 11100 more bullishness can be expected. Directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge and regain from what we had lost, but let's see the complete recovery is possible or not. RSI is trading oversold, and hence you can expect a little bounce back. The MACD, so stochastic was trading oversold. The MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. It has seen the highs there probably, and now it's the time for it to converge a little, and RSI is also trading oversold. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, you can see it is willing to go back to 11050. Certainly it can try to in fact attempt and achieve 11080, 11100. Only above 11100 you can expect that there is little more bullishness, and it is going to fly high. Else, see, it was trading outside the Bollinger Bands. With the drop there, the Bollinger Bands will expand for the next candle, and that is why it is trying to recover little. Possibly the next candle, if it appears, if it trades on the downside, it may continue with the bearish momentum again. Below 10950, certainly it is a sell again. So in between 10950 and 11050, you have to trade with caution. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold, and you can see the MACD is divergent and bearish here. The RSI is also at bottom, indicating little more bearishness. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, look at the candle. You can say the weekend candle was diminished. It has formed a double bottom, and it is trying to reverse. Yes, it can try to fill this gap at 11050. In fact, rise till towards 11100, and more bullishness will be seen if it continues to trade above 11100 levels. Now at the same time, below 10950, certainly it is a sell there. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic entering oversold. The MACD is still in green but trying to converge and crossover for a sell. RSI at bottom, trying to bounce back. Considering this, buy at 11050, sell at 10950. In between 10950 and 11050, do not trade. And at the same time, remember, on the upside, 11080, 11100 are the next resistance zone, and beyond 11100 certainly we can see a little more bullishness, taking it till towards 11140, 180, 200 first target, then 11300 next target, very strong resistance, and then 300, 400, 500. These are the 3 steps and 3 stronger resistance zones for NASDAQ 100. On the downside, sell at 10950, and then 10920, very strong support. Below that we can expect 10840, and below that we may expect it to continue with the bearish momentum till towards 10600, 10500 and below level. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, and yes, do not forget to Shift your stop loss to a cost every time whenever you see your trade is in profit. Just adopt these basic principles and definitely trading with discipline will make you a profitable and proficient trader. Also, you can be part of my mentorship batch. The 16th batch starts on 7th of November. Be a part of it. The strategies taught will definitely help you become achieving the targets and definitely help you become an independent trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group where just trading as per the signals you can definitely profit, else you can become a patron and support the effort which I am putting on YouTube. All the links and contact details are mentioned in the channel and video description. So do read that and do join that. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, and US30 is trading at 29,230. Now it has already seen 29,050 levels on the downside. Now look at the hourly chart. Now this too is trying to fill the gap. The next target should be at 29,300, and beyond 29,300 it may call for little more bullishness. Then 29,400, 29,500 as the major resistance. Beyond 29,500 only more bullishness can be expected. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic bouncing back from the oversold zone. The MACD is bearish and trying to converge. RSI is also oversold, and that is why we can see little more greener candles. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, previous two candles lower highs, flat bottom, and this is giving you a breakout, possibly sustaining above 29,300. Yes, rather you can take a buy entry now itself, but expect 29,250, 29,300 as the major resistance. Beyond that, 29,400 is a stronger resistance, and then it will fly for 29,500, the next target, and then it will hit 29,600, 650, 700 levels also. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic trading oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI trading oversold and trying to come out of the oversold zone. Likewise on the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation, similar are the levels. Do not consider this as bullish till the time it trades below, or rather say 29,900. Till the time it trades below 29,900, I will not consider this is a reversal. It is just a retracement. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is oversold, trying to bounce back. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is bouncing back from the oversold zone. And if you look at the daily charts, on the 4-hour charts, so trying to fill this gap, probably you can buy 29,250, but then expect 29,300 as the next, 400, 500, in fact 650, 700 as the next resistance zone, and only about 29,900. Consider that for a reversal, and you can stay long about 29,900 levels. Directional movement bearish, it is trying to diverge. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and RSI is oversold too. It is trying to bounce back from the bottom there. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, higher lows are created and it is trying to reverse. So higher lows can implicate higher highs also. Hence you need to be cautious. Yes, beyond this zone certainly you can expect it to retrace a little, hence you can buy here and expect it to rise a little. 29,300, 400, 500, and on the upside more bullishness can be seen. Only bearish entry today is below 29,000 level. Below that certainly more bearishness can be seen. In fact, yes, you can take a sell entry 29,100 itself. So till the time it trades about 29,100, I will not recommend you to sell anything. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is in green. The RSI trying to move up from here. So sell at 29,100, and yes, till the time it trades about 29,100, one can expect 29,250 as the resistance. Beyond 29,250, certainly more bullishness can be expected. 29,300, 400, 500, 700 and 900 are the targets. You can stay long about 29,250 levels. In between 29,250 and 29,100, stay cautious with your buy positions. Stay cautious with your sell positions in between these 150 points. Above and below, definitely stronger moves can be expected. On the downside, 29,000 is the major support, and then 28,800, 28,700 zone should come into picture, which is again a major support. Below that, we may see a drop for 28,500 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Always keep shifting your stop loss to cost. That is your only friend which can safeguard your capital in terms of a extreme volatility. Hence take a right entry whenever you see it is bullish, then only go long only, and don't trade against the trend. If you do not know how to do it, do not trade against the trend. Adopt these basic principles and hygiene. Join my mentorship batch to learn more, and join my signals group to earn more. You can be part of these too. Just contact me. My contact details are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.